Hanging lights on the front door, it's my favorite time of year. Pull a wreath out of cardboard, it says everyone. Grandma's frosting the cookies, she waves at neighbors as they pass. She laughs as I sing jingle bells out of a marshmallow mustache. My little daughter came running up and sat on my knee. She said, Dad, I got a question for you. I said, what's on your mind? She said, Christmas dreams come true. Thought about it for a minute, turned to Tony Bennett, said, love, I think I know that they do. She was asking me how, as I twirled her around, I said, Christmas brought me you. Snow in the forecast, we're staying in, so that's alright. Watch the flakes start to come down across the road under the. And I think about heaven, how it must be just like this, with everybody you love and everybody you miss. My little daughter came around, she said, Dad, I got a question for you. I said, what's on your mind? She said, I am not sure if Christmas dreams come true. Thought about it for a minute, turned to Tony Bennett, said, love, I think I know that they do. She was asking me how, as I twirled her around, I said, Christmas brought me you. She's smiling at me. She says, Dad, I gotta tell you something. Then tears fill her eyes as she tells me surprise and shows me her wedding ring. Think about it for a minute. Tony Bennett, say, love, I told you it was all true. And she knows I am proud as I twirl her around the lights in the living room.